It's me, Marvy. Did you know that the month of March is Women's History Month? That's right. It's the month we celebrate all of the great women in history. I just learned about mathematician Ada Lovelace. She's the first computer programmer. She created a special program to help computers run. Pretty cool, huh? During Women's History Month, it's also really important to celebrate not just the women in history, but the women in our lives. Like my grandma! My grandma is a scientist, so she teaches me a lot of really cool things. One time, she taught me about the different kinds of clouds in the sky. See? She also told me the correct name of each seashell in my collection. Oh, and whenever I visit her, we do really fun things, like look at the stars through her telescope. Ooh, or we plant seeds together in her garden. My grandma and I really like to go on nature walks, too. And we like to collect different types of leaves along the way. She says I can do anything I set my mind to. I'm so glad she's my grandma. Oh, hey. Do you know any awesome women you want to celebrate this month? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.